Hello and welcome to the audio podcast version of Crumbs from His Table. The steadfast love of the Lord never ceases. His mercies never come to an end. They are new every morning. Great is His faithfulness. If you are in Christ, beloved, nothing can separate you from that steadfast love of God. Today's post is called The Spiritual Practice of Nature Photography, and I wrote it for my longtime friend, Tatie. Go to where the wild things are, or welcome them to you. Plant a garden, milkweed for monarchs, sages and zinnias, sunflowers and moonflowers for bees and hummingbirds, holly and blackberries for the mockingbirds and waxwings. Watch it grow. Hang bird feeders, seeds and suets and hummingbird syrup, more than you think you need. Place them by the windows you pass most often in your days. Raise the blinds, part the curtains, practice statio in your pauses, to gaze in expectant surrender, in hopeful receptivity, asking to see His glory, ready to see His goodness, waiting for whatever good thing Providence will send, contemplating the Creator through creation's lens. Sometimes I ask for a hummingbird, and He sends a hummingbird moth, like a wink and a smile. Watch this. Sometimes no photos come, but the songs of bird chorus surround my soul with music, an orchestra tuning its praise. This too is beauty. Sometimes a little lamb who lost her mom asks for a monarch and a photograph, for the Christmas calendar for the month her mother died. And He sends one, when she can see it and drop everything to claim with open hands the gift He sent. Keep the camera charged and ready. Embrace beautiful interruptions to your plans. Prepare your heart to say yes to grace, in wordless prayer of a soul with windows open to Jerusalem. Wait and watch in hope for the loveliness always winging its way to you. Thank you for listening. To like, comment, subscribe, share, all the things, please visit crumbsfromhistable.substack.com. This post is called The Spiritual Practice of Nature Photography. Until next time, courage your hearts.